This is your North Pole weatherman, Blizzard Bob, reporting live from the front steps of Santa's workshop. We are predicting over 100 inches of snow, and we are currently showing level 5 hot cocoa and marshmallows alert. Please be sure your kitchen is well stocked with marshmallows. The word from inside the workshop is that the snow won't impact Santa's sleigh ride. The new reindeer goggle wipers have arrived and are ready to go. But with this big of a storm, some say they could be overwhelmed. Stay tuned for more updates.
Hello, it is not morning. I've been working for a while. I just have been really tired. The camera angle is so weird. I don't really like that any better, but the internet went out and I was working on that, and then I've been getting like some admin stuff done, and yeah, I'm just really tired. A couple packages got delivered to my neighbor by mistake, so she just dropped those off, and one of them was a really important package, so I'm really grateful to her for doing that. But it's new products again, so I kind of hinted to this a couple days ago, and they are here, so now I can give you guys that are watching Vlogmas an official sneak peek, because it's going to take me a couple days to get them ready to actually go into the shop, probably this weekend. But the good news is they'll be ready to ship, so hopefully it would still get to you by Christmas. I don't know why it wouldn't, unless I don't know, really mess up on all my orders. So okay, I'm gonna show them to you. And then here's the restock. The mitten blockers. Yay! So I only ship to the US, so I thought that when I designed these these sock rulers with Country Laser Incorporated, which is who I get these new wood products I've been carrying. So the original file that we used, it's called an SVG file, it had the US sizes, and then it also had like UK sizes. I don't know if this is focusing. And I didn't really think that was necessary, because I obviously don't ship to the UK. If I ever do, I will adjust this, but I wanted, my idea was let's say you wanted to knit, these are really smooth. They did such a good job. My idea was, let's say you want to knit, you know, a friend a pair of socks and they say, well, I'm a size, you know, US Women's 10. So you would go up here to US Women's 10 and then go across to wherever the inches are for that, which is 10 inches. So, yeah, I was hoping that would make things easier. And then, of course, if you knit toe up, you would start here and then knit until, you know, as long as you need the foot to be. And if you were knitting top down, I think you just would lay it flat over the top of this, or you could put it on. So I'm really happy with these. They're so beautiful. So these actually aren't going to be stained or anything like that because I want the wood burn to be as crystal clear as possible, and I don't want to risk muddying that up with stain and varnish, because sometimes that does distort how the wood burning looks, and it's so beautifully perfect. So yeah, I'm so excited. I'm gonna take some pictures of these and put them in the shop as soon as possible so that you guys have time to grab them for yourselves for Christmas or for gifts or whatever you want. So tonight was Rory's Girl Scouts field trip, and we went to the animal shelter. It was honestly harder than I expected it would be. It just really made me think about Woody a lot, and I was really sad. And then Rory was sad because she wanted to take the animals home, and she was also just sad for the animals. But it was a nice little shelter. They were all well taken care of. I played a few games, but now I'm just going to wait to get really sleepy, even though I'm pretty tired. It feels like it's super late, but it's only 10:30. So I'm gonna knit a little bit on these fingerless gloves that I'm working on, which I haven't shown you guys yet, so I'll show you those tomorrow. I don't really know what kind of footage I got today. It doesn't feel like I got very much. But yeah, I'll see you tomorrow, and hope you guys have had a really great week.
There's actually some more to do with that, like the actual renovation.